Shaboom! What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, champions? So check it out, my friends. This is Luke Pico coming to you guys again. Coming to you guys with another video, baby, with another update on what's been going on in my life, where I'm at, what I'm doing. It's been about 9 days, maybe 10 days since I've done a video. And I just wanted to share some insights and some information with you on basically just things that are going on in my life, baby. So check it out, my friends. I'm not staying in that motel no more. If you guys know anything about what's been going on with this channel, is about you guys on this channel, we talk about all things personal development. We talk about all things confidence building. We talk about all things universal laws of attraction and how to actually use these invisible tools, these quantum tools, these invisible thoughts that we think every day, and to create the type of reality that we want to create, baby. And so that's what this channel is about, you guys. We talk about all this type of information on this channel. And so if you guys want to learn about building that type of confidence, learning how to actually manifest and create the type of reality that you want to experience from day to day, then stick around, baby, because that's what I talk about on this channel. And so check it out, dude. I just wanted to give you some updates and some insights and share with you how to use your electromagnetic imagination to create whatever kind of reality you want to experience, baby. Yeah, buddy, dude. So check it out, you guys. So like anytime that you face, when you're doing personal development, when you're doing introspective work on your personality, on your psychology, on your awareness, on what you can create in life, there's some dynamics that you have to understand. These are principles that you have to understand if you're going to create a completely different reality for yourself. And these are the dynamics. When you enter the door of personal development, or you enter the door of the law of attraction, you're entering a door of positivity and negativity. Okay? You probably have never heard that before, and if you have, you're ahead of the game. That's amazing, baby. But we live in a world of polarity. Okay? That means we live in a world of positive energy and negative energy. Okay? And if you've never heard that before, and you're barely coming into this awareness right now, you have literally entered the doorway of this awareness, meaning this is the first time you've heard it. This is the first time you're going to experience this type of information. Okay, this information will blow your mind. Okay, because see, all information, if you know anything that I've shared in my last videos, I freaking lost my house, got burnt down. I freaking went through a bunch of bad stuff, okay, in terms of relationship problems and stuff like that, and just lots of negative things showing up in my life, okay? And I've been doing this for quite some time. I've been freaking building and creating and building this mindset for quite some time. And anytime you have a massive negativity in your life, you have to understand some dynamics. There's going to be a massive breakthrough of success on the other side of that negativity. Rewind, say it again, Luke. When you start personal development, you're going to get negative before you get positive. And when you hear the truth, when people speak truth like this, or they reveal certain aspects of how the mind works, it can motivate you. But sometimes, if you haven't been paying attention to who you are and working on yourself, that motivation can actually make you upset. Okay, you kind of get negative on yourself. You feel frustrated. You feel sad. You feel depressed. You feel ashamed or weak or this or that. You have to understand something about this game. Okay, that is all temporary. That's going to pass. And once it passes, you're going to recover at a stronger level. And this is one of the hardest things for people to understand. You're going to recover at a greater level of a psychology, a greater level of awareness. Okay? Yeah, buddy. And a lot of people, baby, they're not willing to go to those levels. Okay? Now, when it comes to how to, create the reality you want to create using your imagination, when we talk about electromagnetic, you have to understand that you are an electrical instrument. You are an electrical light being held together in sacred geometric formation. Okay? That means, see, who I am, who you see right here, this physical body, this isn't me. Yeah, buddy. What are you talking about, Luke? This ain't you. This ain't me, baby. This is just my avatar. This is my vehicle. Okay? Who I am is the electrical energy inside that's communicating with you right now. Rewind, say it again, baby. That should freaking rock your world, dude, straight up. Yeah, buddy. It should rock your world, because check it out. Who I am comes from the energetic core of what I believe that who I am. See, you don't hear the real me without me sending out this invisible wavelength of electromagnetic psychology. This is all, everything you see in the world around you is all imaginary. It's all imaginary. Everything's imagination, baby. Everything in the world is imagination. And what does imagination mean? Imagination means that everything you see is an image. Imagine, right? Image. Imagine that, right? It's an image, okay? You see pictures with your mind. And then once you see those pictures, the electrical energy inside picks up that information and it decides what it wants to do, intelligently do, to create the kind of reality that it wants to experience, baby. That should freaking rock your world. Yeah, buddy. A lot of people don't know that, dude. And so this is what I mean. When you think a thought, you're thinking on an electrical, energetic frequency of information. See, thoughts carry energy. The language of the mind is energy. The language of the body is emotion. And your emotions, they are magneto, dude. Isn't that neato, dude? Dang, dude. They're magnetic. Meaning, see, we attract into our reality whatever it is that we decide with our mind. When we think a thought, we're thinking upon a frequency of energy. And then we draw into our core the parallel reality that we want to create. And so guess what? You want to learn how to use your imagination to create a completely different experience of reality? That could freaking rock your world. That can blow your mind. Shoot, dude. I'll freaking jaw drop it on this channel, baby. How to use your electromagnetic energy of your imagination, right? You gotta understand, whatever you hold is true in here, you're gonna manifest out here, right in front of you, baby, all out here in the world you live in. In fact, you've been doing it your whole life. See, you demonstrate who you are every day. You demonstrate the character of that personality, dude. You demonstrate that. And when you demonstrate that in reality, you literally create the reality you're creating. This is why you have the house you have. This is why you have the job you have. This is why you have everything that you have. Well, Luke, you lost everything in your life or your house, or you lost all of that. Does that mean you attracted it? I absolutely somehow did. But here's the thing. Before you create any breakthrough to success in life, you're going to have a major paradigm shift, a major mental paradigm shift into that direction. That should freaking blow your mind. You're going to. And that means you have to face certain things that you don't want to face. You have to deal with certain things that you don't want to deal with. And so guess what? Are you willing to deal with it? Are you willing to get negative? Are you willing to create the kind of reality that you want to create? Or are you going to let your insecurities weigh you down? Oh, I'm going to blame it on that person. I'm going to blame it on this. It's easier said than done. This is all of us. This is why we talk about it, because you got to put it in perspective, right? You got to bring alignment to your soul, dude. That should freaking rock your world right there. Yeah, buddy. That should freaking blow your mind, what I just shared with you. Because you know what you can do with that? You know what you can do with that type of information when you decide to become that kind of person? You can freaking create massive success in your reality. It's going to be painful. It's going to take time. It's going to take effort. It's going to take work. But are you willing to continually move forward? Are you willing to use your imagination to magnetically attract into your reality what you want to experience from day to day, baby? Shoot, dude. I freaking cracked the code, dude. And that's why I'm doing this video right now, because I've been so busy that a negative pattern, this new pattern that I've established, that I've experienced, it's creating negativity in my reality. Why? Because I lost all my other reality. I had a whole freaking recording studio, house, everything set up. I would do videos. If you go back and watch my older videos, you'll see what I'm talking about, dude. Yeah, buddy. But guess what, baby? Because that pattern shifted, I'm forced into this new pattern that I have to live in. And so I have to remind myself, I have to pay constant attention to what I'm telling myself, to what I'm thinking about, to what I'm doing, baby. You understand what that can do to your soul? Because see, when you think upon that information, you will use your magnetic influence, your magnetic imagination to create whatever that is. See, you could decide to be going in one direction today, and literally by using your imagination, you can steer the ship into a completely different trajectory of what you want to create, dude. That should freaking rock your world. Because what do you want to do, baby? What kind of reality you want to create? What kind of mindset do you want to build? Do you want to be more happy? Do you want to be more positive? You have to understand who you are as a person. You have to. That's what I've learned. Because if you don't understand who you are as a person, how are you ever going to make an adjustment in your character? How are you ever going to be transformed, right? How are you ever going to create the peace and harmony and love and unity and growth that you want to create? And it's because you have, and see, this is why I do videos. This is why I rock a podcast, which I haven't done in a while, but if you go over to SoundCloud, you're on my YouTube channel, click up in the header on the right-hand side, you'll see the link. You can check out that podcast. Over 400 episodes right there, dude. If you're into videos, check out the videos on this channel. It will blow your mind, the stuff that I share with you, because it's literally, everything I speak on this channel is truth. We talk about the truth on this channel. Not only that, we talk about personal development, which is built on truth. Personal mindset, right? You want to learn how to develop your psychology? You want to understand how reality works? You want to see what's going on behind the scenes of your psychology? Shoot, dude. It'll freaking rock your world, baby. It'll blow your mind when you start to decode how reality works and what you can do in life. You'll start to create the type of reality that you want to experience. Because when you think a thought, you think upon that frequency. You can't hear this video right now. You can't watch this video. You can't feel any energy from what I'm saying without me sharing it. You can't. Because what I'm sharing with you is an invisible frequency that's going through this phone, that's going to go up to the satellites and get pinged off and saved on YouTube. And you're going to literally, if you watch this, you're going to feel in your heart of hearts what I'm saying. How does invisible energy travel from one side of the earth to the other side of the earth and into your psychology and into who you believe you are? Dang, dude, that should freaking blow your mind. You see what I'm saying? And so, what do you want to create? Who do you want to be, baby? What kind of mindset you want to build? You want to build the confidence? You want to build the enthusiasm? You want to build the inspiration? You see what I'm saying? It's really up to you. Because see, that's the only way you're able to watch this. See, you use your imagination to watch this motion picture, right? This recording. Dang, dude. A lot of people don't know that, baby. And so what do you want to do? You see? Who do you want to be? What kind of personality do you want to create? You're going to deal with frustrating events. You're going to deal with frustrating circumstances. You're going to deal with frustrating things that happen in your life. And when you decide that you're going to face that, you're going to either break through that, or you're going to say, oh, forget it. I just give up now. Forget it. I'm going to be the fall guy. I'm just going to go back into doing whatever, I didn't want to do before because this negative thing happened and that negative thing happened. And this is going to be a huge test of your character. Do you really, really believe who you say you are? And then are you willing to create the breakthrough in your personality? You have to change if your reality is going to change. In order for things to be different, you have to be different, right? You've heard that before, right? Your personality creates your personal reality, baby. This whole world is governed by electricity. Electromagnetic fields of not just energy, that energy is intelligent. It is a conscious intelligence that will freaking blow your mind if you understand that. Yeah, buddy, dude. And so I just wanted to share this information with you guys, share with you what's going on and kind of my reality and what's going on. I moved into an Airbnb for the next month and a half, something like that. I'll keep you guys updated on it. I just wanted to share with you what I've learned about using your electromagnetic energy to create, using your imagination to create the kind of reality that you want to experience. And so just pay attention to what it is you're telling yourself. Just pay attention to what it is you decide to align yourself with. And if something makes you feel negative, just understand it's probably because it's calling you to become your greatest version. It's calling you to become a better person, which is your greatest version, right? Yeah, buddy, dude. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today. It's a short video today. I just wanted to share it with you. Share with you kind of just the situation, what's going on and what you can create and who you can become and the kind of reality that you can decide to, imagine, right? What you can decide to create for your soul, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today. Check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, you guys like this kind of information, you like learning about this type of psychology, then consider subscribing, baby. Consider smashing that thumbs up button if you guys liked it. Hit the little bell notification if you guys want to receive updates when I share these videos, dude. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Peace. Yeah, buddy, baby. You got to give it to the heavens, dude. You got to give voice to your reality. You do it already. So what do you want to do? Who do you want to be? What type of mindset do you want to create? You see what I'm saying, dude? Boom, baby. Done.